gotta say, the Seesii saw, the 6-inch Seesii saw really did good by us. Let's take a look at the cuts. Oh, my camera! Oh my God! Guys, make sure. Hey guys, we're going to unpack our new 6-inch cordless Seesii pruning saw. Let's pull out what's in the box. We've got some safety gloves, an oil tube, extra chain, screwdriver, and a tiny wrench. A power cord, power saw. Look at that. Here's the battery. Yeah. There you go. This just slips on here. We've got a safety button right there. And then the action button right there. So let's try. So I'm going to use that for my fig trees this winter. But let's try this, okay? On some other things before I ruin my fig tree. Camera, check. Safety goggles, check. Gloves, check. All right. Ooh, that was a good one. So the thicker one was easier for me to do. Look at that. Versus the little twigs. I am so full of saw. So here is the saw in comparison to what I just sawed. And this went through like butter. Really. 2 hands help, guys. I needed to keep it steady in one place because otherwise it was riding up and down. Maybe 3-inch diameter trunk right here, or branch. Let's try that. Back and forth. Like nothing. Wow. Like nothing. Oh my gosh. This is so fun. The thicker ones are so much easier. We'll do more. That was our trial of our cordless Seesii 6-inch blade power saw. Oh my God! Guys, make sure